Welcome back. Well, one particular name from the pharma pack that's doing very well is CDMO player Divi's Lab. That particular stock high by over 4% and near the day's highest point. But moving on, it's another quarterly update that is in focus. NBFC CreditAccess Grameen gave its Q2 business update last evening to the exchanges. Gaurav joins in with more details.
Well, yes, when we talk about CreditAccess Grameen and when we look at the numbers, it's not something that we should be cheering about because gross loan portfolio that increased just by 3% and that also shows a decline of around 0.6% on a sequential basis. While at the same time, disbursement number now that has increased almost by 33% on a year-on-year basis, but sequentially it has come down by around 2.3%. When we look at the asset quality, now 90-day plus PAR, now that portfolio, that value has declined almost by 80 basis points. But at the same time, let's also not forget that company has said that the 15 plus day PAR, now that accretion has been range bound, and the reason being that they believe that temporary rainfall has impacted this number. Specifically, when we look at these numbers, this also indicate two states where they are seeing some kind of rising stress. First is Madhya Pradesh and second is Maharashtra, because for Maharashtra, this number has gone up to around 0.46% in the month of September, which was at around 0.34% in the month of June, and at the same time for Madhya Pradesh this number has gone up to around 0.7%. So definitely they are also indicating some kind of stress which is rising from these two states. Specifically it could be because of the heavy rainfall, but at the same time numbers is not something that we should be cheering about, specifically given that the stock is actually currently trading at a premium to all of its other peers. So definitely we will be watching out on how the profit is going to be, but all in all, in terms of updates, not something that investors should be cheering about for CreditAccess Grameen so far.
So Gaurav, you're saying that slightly muted update and valuations at a premium to its peers, so not too much to cheer about. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for joining in as we're talking about CreditAccess Grameen. Well, you can see some important